Hey guys, Tasson with Dead Air Silencers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Xeno adapter into any hub compatible silencer. The great thing about this is that any hub compatible silencer is going to be threaded 1 3/8 by 24, and that can accommodate any of these adapters. Some tools you may need for this installation are going to be the TL tool pack, a ratchet, a 1 1/8 socket, and a 13/16 socket. So the first thing we're going to do is take the silencer, and I'm going to take one of the TL tools or two of the TL tools depending on what you prefer. I like to insert the tools here, and you can either tighten with this section, or for removal you're going to reverse it, and you're going to put one TL tool in the tool slots of the silencer, and then you're going to put the secondary tool in the tool slots of the adapter and pinch down, and it'll come right off. If it's a little bit tight, I'd recommend utilizing a socket and a ratchet. It gives you a little bit more torque and you can take it right off. We're then going to remove this 5/8 fix mount. We'll set that aside. I'm going to take my DA455 right here and screw it in. Once you have the adapter seated down into the silencer, I'm going to take one of these TL tools and put it into the tool slot. I then take another one of these tools, get a little bit of extra torque. Once you find the best position tool slot, you're going to just take both of your hands and torque it down. Then you're ready to head to the range and zero. Additionally, I'm going to show you here, we've got a 1 1/8 inch snap-on socket. Put it over the back of the DA455, and then I'm going to torque it down. If you guys have any questions, please send us an email at info@Dead Air Silencers or give us a call, and check out all of these items at your local stocking Dead Air dealer or deadairsilencers.com.